Queso, queso, queso. So all you see is queso on your Instagram, on your Twitter, on your Facebook. People be grilling it, smoking it, putting it in a skillet, putting it in an Instapot, crock pot, baking it in the backseat of the car on a hot Arizona afternoon. Guess what? I'm not doing that, okay? I'm flipping the script. I'm doing something completely different because why? Because that's what I do. I go against the grain. I'm not making queso. I'm going chicken wing dip. Starting off with some Frank's dust. Some Frank sauce. I put this shit on everything. Come on. Some Valentinas. Why not? Because we're doing something different. Little Hidden Valley Ranch packet here. Sharp cheddar. The Philly cream cheese. The Monterey Jack. The chicken. Butcher's way. That's how we do. Stay tuned. We're going to start off with is our chicken breast here. Get into this, and just gonna take a couple of these guys. Real simple, okay? Our hammer to the side. Let's get this crap off of here. Trim these guys up a little bit. All right. You don't want none of that stuff on there. All right, now we're just gonna fillet these down. Like so. And then we're gonna take some little clingy wrap here. Some of that. Right down there, okay. And what we're going to do is just cover these up just a bit. Get out ye old hammer. We're going to flatten these guys down. What we're looking for is about the same thickness all the way through because we're going to grill these. And because of the fact that we're going to grill them, we want to cook them all at the same time. So let's do that. Then, let's take our Frank's dust here. Let's get it on there. Do. Now, either put them on your Texas plate, or if you want to just throw them in a little container here, just stack them all up, and we're going to let these guys sit for, I don't know, 5-6 hours. Let me hit that guy again. Perfect. Ugh. And remember, wash your hands before you go to the bathroom. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Our Vision Komodo has just got to about 275. We're doing a little bit of pecan and some oak chips. And we're going to go ahead and throw down our marinated chicken breasts here. Now these things have just been sitting in this Frank's seasoning for just about 5 hours right now. So we're just going to put them in here, get them all cooked up, and shred those guys up. Woo! Chicken looks good. See what we're at here. Yeah. Our chickens are all done here. We're not going for brownie points today or whatever. We just eat it cooked. We don't need to worry about the grill lines. Alright. Gonna take all this,
These are all sitting 165, 168. Let's go ahead and bring these guys inside. Start the next step.
Once you bring your chicken inside from off the grill, just grab a knife, a couple of forks, a lawnmower blade, machete, Cuisinart, whatever you want. Just cut up your chicken into little pieces. You can either just shred it up or you can put it in little bite-sized chunks, whatever you want. All you're just doing is you just want to make it small enough that it's bite-sized and it will fit on a chip and fit inside the dip.
Give our cutting board a little bit of a wash here, and our vessel of choice for this, good old trusty. We're going to use a little cast iron action. So we're going to put this guy over here for a minute. Let's get our cream cheese. So we're calling for 2 bricks of this cream cheese here. And it's supposed to be at room temperature. I kind of forgot a little bit. But I put it outside. Kind of softened it up a little bit, you know what I mean? So we're just going to take this, and I was going to cut it. I don't think I need to. Nope, don't need to. Plop. Plop, plop, bleh. Get the brick in. All right. So we got 1 brick, or pat, whatever you want to call this stuff. Let's get the other one in here. Blank. All right. Yeah, we'll just use this stuff. Scrapey. Yeah, I know. You shouldn't be doing this. Folks, I'm not a professional. I think we've already established that. I wear a mask. Come on. What do you expect? Okay. So we got our cheese. Now what we're going to do is we're going to... You know what? We're going to do this pretty like everybody else keeps doing with all their quesos. So we're going to take our chicken. We'll put our chicken over here. How's that? All right. Little chicken pocket. We'll put our chicken right here. Boom. Like so. Then we have half of a ranch packet. You know the powder ranch stuff? Yeah, half of that. Let's go ahead and dump that in there. So I think I measured that out. It was 14 grams. So a whole package, I believe, is 1 ounce. I weighed it out. It was 30 grams. Or I'm sorry, my package was 28 grams. So I just split the difference there. Okay, then we have 3/4 of a cup of regular ranch dressing. So let's go ahead and get that in there. Get our squeegee. Squeegee that out. There we go. Right on. And then we have a noisy bowl. 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot. Okay, we're going to put him over here on this side. And then we have some Valentinas here. So I did 1/4 cup of Valentinas and 1/2 cup of that Frank's. Get that over there. I'll get your magical squeegee because just a little thicker. Get that in there. Okay. 4 ounces of chopped cheddar. Let's get that in here. Get that all nice and pretty. Okay, like so. And then lastly, 4 ounces shredded Colby Jack. Now I always buy blocks of cheese and shred it myself. Less starch. You know, they put that potato starch and all that other shit on there and get it, it won't stick and whatnot. So, that's what we got. There it is, folks. And we'll just mash that one down a little bit there. Here, we'll cover it up. See, be pretty. Here. Now, all this right here. Let's throw that on the Vision. Let's smoke that. Back outside here with the old Vision Komodo. I've stirred up my coals a little bit, so we're getting a little bit of a little funkiness in the smoke here. Let's go ahead and let's just drop this right inside there. Get that thing right in the middle. Should work. We're only at 300 degrees. We'll babysit this thing and give it a couple stirs here in about 10-15 minutes. Let's give it a look, shall we? Ooh. Let's get our squeegee here. Give it a little quick stir. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere now. What we're going to do is just incorporate this a little bit. Make sure you're using a good seasoned pan for this, because you definitely do not want this stuff just sticking. So let's give it a nice stir here. Just look at that big glob of it right there in the middle. Okay. Woo. Looking fantastic. And then just kind of, well, if you're good, maybe your mom will let you lick the spoon. We're just about set. You can see right here, we're just at 300 degrees. Let's take a look here. That looks weird. Looks like like an octopus or SpaghettiOs or something. So we're gonna give this one last stir. I've stirred it a couple of times now, but didn't think it was totally needed to record that. Just give it a stir every 5-10 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna incorporate this hot sauce and this oil and get everything back into there, okay? And then for our final bit here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw another 8 ounces of cheese on top. And we're gonna get that all melty. And again, what we're using is we're gonna go and we're gonna use cheddar and Monterey Jack. And I'm splashing a little bit here, but that's okay. So let's do that real quick here. Let's get some of this on here. Get it all. And this is gonna give us our top crust. This is what's gonna give us that pull. When you dip your chips into this, this is where it's gonna, yeah. Oh. Hope you guys like cheese. There we go. Perfect. Close it up. We're gonna give this a couple of minutes. Don't know how long, because we gotta come back and take a look. Let's take our last bit here. Oh yeah, perfect. We're gonna go ahead and take this down and bring that inside. And that's gonna be good. Behold our final product. Yeah, I know, it's got like an oil slick on top. You're gonna get that. That's from the cheese. However, it's what inside that actually counts. So make sure you get your proper chip here. Break it 13 times as you're trying to get it in there. Look at that pull. Look at that. See that? Okay. Oh. Simply unbelievable. All those flavors. All that chicken. Just pulling it up. Look at that. That string. Wrap it around. Perfect. Give it a stir here too, okay? I know people are cringing right now. You're hitting the bottom of your cast iron. Yeah, I know I am, but it's very, very lightly. Trust me. Get another chip here. That chicken. You see it all right on there. Perfect. Perfectly done. Just hot enough. Just got that zing. Oh, man. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did, and as much as I'm going to. Stay tuned, because I got some more things coming. Some interesting things. I'll just say that. You don't want to sit here and crunch in your ear. Let me just remind you. Bon appetito.